Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Vega helmet. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a mild soap, 2 soft microfiber cloths, and some warm water. Next, carefully remove all the detachable parts from your helmet. This includes the visor, the cheek pads, and the interior liner. Finally, set up a clean, soft workspace, perhaps with a towel, to protect your helmet during the cleaning process. This preparation ensures a smooth and effective cleaning. Now let's focus on the exterior shell. Take one of your damp microfiber cloths, add just a small amount of mild soap, and gently wipe down the entire outer surface of your helmet. Be sure to pay extra attention to any vents or small crevices where dirt might accumulate. A soft brush can be helpful here. Afterwards, use your second clean, damp cloth to thoroughly rinse the shell, making sure all soap residue is completely removed. This keeps your helmet looking great. Next, we'll tackle the interior and visor. For the removable interior pads and liner, hand wash them gently with mild soap and warm water, then allow them to air dry completely. For the visor, use a dedicated helmet visor cleaner or a simple solution of mild soap and water. Always use a separate, clean microfiber cloth for the visor to avoid any scratches and ensure crystal clear visibility. This step is crucial for comfort and safety. Finally, it's time for reassembly and some important tips. Before putting anything back together, ensure all helmet components are completely dry. This prevents any mildew or unpleasant odors. Carefully reattach the liner, cheek pads, and visor, making sure everything clicks securely into place. For long-term care, store your freshly cleaned helmet in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Following these steps will keep your Vega helmet in excellent condition for many rides to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.